Afternoon, family. Ham's Loft. At the 2021 Young Bird Pigeon Show. We got foyers right there. And this, all the medicine, medication. I already bought everything that I was gonna buy. I'm with another flyers, and they all walking around. This is our week off. This week we was off on flying, so we put the spare day into our schedule, so we had to show. They just got in their ultimate pigeon boxes. You got a little slide in the inside. You can lock it this way or this way. And they got the little snap down. Nice. $65 though. No shipping at the club. I know a lot of people got these now. Breeding cages.
We charge if you take pictures. We have to.
Oh my God! Yeah,
you're not supposed to take. How about
look what we got here.
Take a picture of me. There you go.
All right. If you don't see him on the YouTube video,
you either get in it or get out of
it. This is the guy right here. Man, we appreciate y'all, everything you do.
Well, thank
you very much. Hey, you know we didn't have you last year. We were struggling.
Yeah, it was a rough year.
Yes, I guess for everybody, right?
Yeah, also. Yeah, this.
All right. This section over here is for buying. So if you got stuff you want to sell, take a quick look over here. Let me just get you back. Okay, this is the buying area. So some owls. And you can buy stuff over here and then just come back and pick it up. We got a little bit of everything in here. They got stuff in here even I don't know what the name is. How you doing, sir? Here we go. New York flights. Anybody who know, these are my babies right here. Beautiful pearl eye. That's a 2020 bird. Look at that eye. Got their white flights. think those are homers. But I'm not here to buy birds, that's for sure. Few fantails. Alright family, that's going to be it for this part. I'm going to start filming once I get on the other side and make another video. That way I don't mess up the video. Alright, so this is Ham's Loft, the Young Bird Pigeon Show 2021, Louisville, Kentucky. Alright y'all, peace. Comment, subscribe, do what you do. I didn't see no tipplers yet.